Your tax dollars need to be spent wisely.
47,000 for a transgender opera.
We're exposing the corruption of the Washington Democrats and we're draining the Washington swamp.
USA. Whoa! United States Agency for International Development или USAID е американската държавна агенция за международно развитие, основана от JFK през 1961 година. Концепцията е била тази агенция да помага на бедните,
47,000 for a transgender opera in Colombia.
болните, неоправданите,
32,000 for a transgender comic book in Peru.
неуките по целия свят.
A $20 million grant to the Sesame Workshop nonprofit to create an Iraqi version of Sesame Street.
И хора, които са заплашени от най-страшното, да са лишени от демокрация. Хлип.
More than $9 million intended for civilian food and medical supplies in Syria ended up in the hands of violent terrorists. I learned funds meant for economic relief in Ukraine were instead paying for Ukrainian models and designers to attend fashion weeks in New York City, London, and Paris.
Where's the money being spent, right? Let's go into that for just a second. Nobody had any idea it was that bad, that sick, and that corrupt.
Но на хоризонта се появи Елън Мъск,
We don't live in a democracy. We live in a bureaucracy.
който обяви агенцията USAID за криминална организация. ОПГ
Your tax dollars need to be spent wisely on things that matter to the people.
Бой по Елъне, USAID създаде своя агенция, която се казва Dogi, и целта е да изобличи пред света цинизма и лицемерието на USAID, която очевидно е била поредното средство на хора във властта да крадат пари и да го наричат подпомагане и загриженост.
We do find it sort of rather odd that there are quite a few people in the bureaucracy who have ostensibly a salary of a few $100,000, but somehow manage to accrue tens of millions of dollars in net worth while they are in that position. There seems to be mysteriously they get wealthy. We don't know why.
О май гот, не мога да повярвам. Да го духа Мъск, какво разбира този смъщник, да го духа Мъск. Разбира достатъчно, че да постига по-добри резултати с по-малки бюджети, за разлика от държавно субсидирани и създадени от нацисти агенции. So shut the fuck up, motherfuckers. Go, Elon, it's your birthday. И започнаха да излизат много интересни неща. $40 милиона за Център за равенство между половете и овластяване на жените. $10 милиона за доброволно медицинско обрязване на мъже в Мозамбик. What the fuck? $14 милиона за социално сближаване в Мали. $9,7 милиона за Калифорнийски университет Бъркли, за да развие кохорта камбоджански младежи с предприемачески умения. $2,3 милиона, 29 милиона, 32 милиона, 20 милиона, 1,5 милиона. Батко Ахмед Доган, ако прочетете как са си описвали кражбите на държавни пари, ще изтръпне.
$25 million to promote biodiversity, conservation, and promote licit livelihoods by developing socially responsible behavior in the country of Colombia. Well, it's nice. $25 million going to Colombia for something that nobody ever heard of.
Но всичките злоупотреби и гаври с държавни пари бледнеят на фона на истинските безумия и варварщина от типа на обвиненията, че агенцията е финансирала терористични групировки като ИСИС, Ал-Кайда, Боко Харам.
The Afghanistananis.
You know what? No.
$697 million annually, plus the shipments of cash funds madrasas, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Boko Haram, ISIS-Khorasan, terrorist training camps. That's what it's funding.
Това не мога да повярвам, бати. Това е повече от абсурдно.
Women's Scholarship Endowment, which receives $60 million annually, or the Young Women Lead, which gets about $5 million annually, is going to women who, by the way, if you read the Inspector General's report, is telling you that the Taliban does not allow women to speak in public. Yet somehow you're believing, and American people are supposed to believe, that this money is going for the betterment of the women in Afghanistan.
It's the Afghanistan nannies.
It is not. You are funding terrorism, and it's coming through USAID. USAID spent $840 million in the last 20 years on Pakistan's education-related program. It includes $136 million to build 120 schools, of which there is zero evidence that any of them were built.
It's the Afghanistan nannies.
You know what? No.
И друга митична фигура изплува на хоризонта като главен герой в скандала. Джордж Сорос.
They gave $27 million to the George Soros Prosecutor Fund. So our own government is funding this left-wing lunatic who is hiring the most insane prosecutors who are letting people out of jail who commit violent crimes.
Да, то ще го кажа, че USAID е спонсорирала и Луханския Gain of Function Research Institute, дето там, нали, с COVID си майката цялата епидемия.
We've known for a while that Dr. Fauci used NIH funding to finance bat coronavirus research at the Wuhan Institute of Virology, but it took the watchdog White Coat Waste Project to expose evidence that USAID was funding it too. In fact, the bulk of the money came from USAID.
Oh, what the fuck is this shit, man? Либералите започнаха да реват на умряло.
We will win! We will win! We won't rest!
Elon Musk is a Nazi nepo baby!
The dictator of Donald Trump and his henchman, Elon Musk!
Elon Musk, nobody elected your ass!
So if people receive money, they don't complain, obviously. But if people don't receive money, they do complain.
We're gonna make sure you understand what democracy looks like!
Грантовете свършиха. Хващайте се на работа от трепки. Fuck you.